Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix no SIM on your iPhone. So if you're facing that kind of trouble, then watch this video completely. So first of all, what you need to do is, if you're having the trouble, just go over here at the control center and turn on the airplane mode. Now just wait for a bit of time. Then what you need to do is just turn it off, because that's going to give a fresh refresh for a network. Most probably that's going to help you guys out, so you can check with the first step. If that is not working, then what you need to do is you just need to eject your SIM card from your iPhone. So you can just eject the SIM over here using the SIM ejector tool. Then you just need to reinsert the SIM back. Then you can check. Sometimes ejecting the SIM and reinserting back, that's going to work in most cases. So you can try this out and that will be working fine. Next one is all about, after trying with it, that still if you're having the trouble, then what you need to do is you just need to do a reset network settings. So just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down to the general, and from here you have to scroll down over here to the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Go to the reset, and there is an option called reset network settings. So it will not be deleting any kind of your data, but what it's going to do is it is going to make you lose your Wi-Fi. So you have to connect back to your Wi-Fi again, and you have to do such kind of things, and you have to check it. So after the reset network settings, you have to check if you're having the trouble. But if you're still facing the issue, then it's all about, you need to do a forced restart on your device. So to do a forced restart, we have to press the volume up followed by the volume down. Then you have to press and hold the power button here unless and until you see the Apple logo. But just make sure one thing, if you press this button over here and you just wait for a couple of seconds, and if you accidentally press this, it might accidentally activate the Siri. So make sure that you do it all in instant of time. So let me do it. So let me go over here, let me press the volume up followed by the volume down, press and hold the power button over here unless and until you see the Apple logo over here. Then you can remove the hand when you see the Apple logo over here on the display. When you see the Apple logo, you're fine with it, and this is how we can do it. And right now, just wait for the phone to get loaded up. So after trying these steps, most probably that might work in some cases. If not, what is next? What you have to do is all about, you can just go over here on your device. You just need to get into it. Go over here, tap on the settings. Now after you go to the general and check for any kind of software update. So if you're having any kind of software update, just update your iPhone. Then you have to check. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.